Have you ever wished that you could slice through all of life's problems, just like butter? Well, I have got something even better than knives. Technical communications. Technical communications, the ultimate tool for cutting through all of life's problems and making everything in life easier. So just like a sharp knife makes meal prep a breeze, technical communications makes everything in life easier. Imagine having crystal clear instructions guiding you through any challenge, whether it's from work or from home. It's just like having a personal assistant right there with you. But wait, there's more. You not just get one volume, but you get a second volume absolutely free. That's right, double the efficiency for double the effectiveness. Absolutely no charge. What's that? It's not free? We'd go out of business if we didn't charge for this? Oh, you're right. It is not free. We actually have to charge you money for this. But that's okay, because it saves you money and time over time. Act now.
Technical communications will not automatically cut onions, turn bananas into donuts, clean your desk, or solve all life's problems. However, it will help you communicate with your customers and end users. Call now at 414-466-6060 or visit www.kencook.com.